Road below 75 North. The left of your screen, you can see the truck hit it.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jack. This is GasDiesel Garage. And in today's episode, we got more diesel work. So stay tuned. How in the heck do you break that? That's insane. Well, this morning I had a driver drive up to the shop, and he stated that he can't supply air to the trailer. Well, just so happens, I took a look at it, and both of the quick release valves that sit up under the cab, well, both of them, well, they're pretty much screwed. They were broken off. Now, why is it that these things broke? The only thing that I can think of is that the driver probably stepped on them. Now, of course, you got do not step stickers. You got one on the fuel tank. You got one on the radar on the right side. Don't step, or no step rather. And on the air tanks, you have a no step sticker. Well, I think that those quick release valves, they need a no step sticker too. But that's besides the point. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fix those things. And I'm telling you, if you don't fix those things, you're going to have a problem. Now, obviously, those valves are very important because they supply your trailer hoses. So what we need to do is we need to get those things extracted. And I have an idea on how we're going to extract these things. Now, this is not something that gets broken every day. The only thing that I can think of is that somebody must have stepped on it. That's the only way I can see these things breaking. And as you can see, a lot of those threads are broken. They're sitting in this right here. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to extract them the redneck way. So grab yourself a long flat tip of some sort. I like to use my vice grips so I can hit this thing and then get this thing out. Watch. So we were able to extract one side. Now we need to get to the other side. And it's going to be just as easy. Watch. Okay, for the second one, we're going to do it the right way. Get some extractors. You can get yourself some extractors just like this. I have a link in the description below on how to grab you some of these. These things are expensive. That's why I use the redneck way.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted.
Alrighty, you can see the broken part of this. Actually, those are the extracted pieces. Got them out. I wonder how many people would have just went ahead and replaced this whole thing when it's not supposed to be, or you don't really need to replace that. But some people are lazy and they want to replace that, but you don't have to. But we are going to have to replace these right here, these valves. There's the part number right there, Bendix 800 333. That's what they're supposed to look like. Now let's swap them out. Now obviously this whole setup here has seen better days, so what I'm going to do is just replace the whole daggone thing. It's a lot easier just to replace it all instead of piecing it piece and piece. So let's just go ahead and get another one. There we go, new glad hands and some new hose. Got some good hose stretched out. Now it's just time to put that stuff in. Well, before we put these in, got to show you something. See these right here? You can't get them wrong, but some people can put them in wrong, especially when you have a fitting in it. So put that right in there, just like this. There we go. Alright, let's grab the other one. Do the same thing. There we go. Grab yourself a 32. Upside down. There you go. 32. And start turning. Now here's the reason why I like to use new hoses. See that? It's already got the fitting on them. So all we got to do is hook them on up. And pay close attention. Left side is red, right side is blue. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video if you like. And with all that being said, we're just going to have to catch you next time. Peace.